Hi, hello friends. My name is Abhiram, and in this video, I would like to show you how to install SAP HANA on Google Cloud Platform for free. Okay, so basically, in this video, I want to show you the total process step by step from the starting point to uh, create a post on cloud and then download the SAP HANA Express Edition and we need to install SAP HANA on cloud. Okay. And after that I will also show you how to convert our Eclipse IDE into HANA Studio. So the total process is we don't need any service market user ID, any license, and any software. We don't need to purchase anything. Okay, it is basically totally free. So the process is steps is requirements in here is 150 Linux, minimum is 16 GB of RAM. 16 GB is a minimum requirement for to install SAP HANA Express Edition, which is given by SAP standard requirement, and we need to download this Express Edition software from the SAP HANA website, official website. We need to fill some form and then we need to submit, and then we can download the HANA Express version. Okay, and then we need to register a Google Cloud Platform with our Gmail ID, and once you create a free version in Google Cloud Platform, they will give you around 21,000 rupees of free credit. Okay, so with that 21,000 rupees, we can use the GCP services. GCP is nothing but Google Cloud Platform. So in shortcut, we can call it as GCP. Okay, in GCP we can use the services by having a trial free credit. Okay, so why GCP I'm mentioning is out of we have in the market AWS and Azure and so on, so many other cloud platforms are there, right? So out of all these, Google is the only service provider who giving a 21,000 rupees free trial to use GCP services, where AWS is also giving a free trial, but we cannot create a huge servers on the cloud. They are giving only they set up some restrictions for the free credit trial, so that we can only install a 1 GB of RAM software operating system, wherein Google is providing 8 vCPU. So 8 vCPU is a limitation, maximum limitation. In that we can create 1 vCPU, we can create 16 GB RAM. So 16 GB 16 into 8 vCPUs, so we can create a very large system. Okay, so that's why I've chosen a Google Cloud Platform for this demo. Okay, so the process is to register a GCP free trial account with our Gmail ID, and then we need to host a SUSE Linux. Any server we can host, but in our case Red Hat and SUSE is the only supported version for HANA installation. So here I'm installing SUSE, and we need to set up a key pairing process to enable the Putty connectivity from our local laptop to cloud system, and then set up some parameters. We need to edit some parameters to allow connectivity from our local Putty to the server, and mount our additional drives. Okay, we need to mount some additional drive for our HANA installation, and download a free Eclipse IDE, and then we need to update some repositories to make use as HANA Studio. This is absolutely free, no license, nothing is required to purchase kind of thing. So we don't need anything, just we need to have a laptop, and we need to have internet connection so that we can do all these things. Okay, so okay, process. Okay, so registration in Google Cloud Platform for free trial is just you can do it for search in Google, and you can do it yourself. It is not a big task. Basically we require only Gmail, so that go to Google Cloud Platform like website, and then search for it, and register with your Gmail ID. Once you click on this get started for free, it will ask you Gmail account, and then you need to submit your details, and then you will get a free trial account which contains 21 GB of 21 rupees of 21,000 rupees of free credit trial, so that we can use. Okay, so that I'm moving forward to this step. So I'm just logging, which is I have already registered myself with my Google Cloud Platform with my Gmail ID. So now I'm logging into that Gmail ID, so that I can create a Linux box. So see Linux box. So now it is logged into the Google Cloud Platform dashboard. So right now we can see my free trial rupees is 14,000 is left. 14,657 rupees is still I have out of 21,000 rupees. So once I registered with free trial, I got a 21,000 rupees. So in that 21,000 I used around 6,000. Sorry, 7,000 change. Around 8,000 I used. So right now I have 14,000 left to use. Okay. So for that we need to create a Linux box, so Linux box. So we need to go to Compute Engine. Okay. So once you go to Compute Engine, so I have already two hosts are already in offline state. I kept it on offline state because if you it is in upstate, it will utilize some resources, and it will deduct some our free trial account. So I don't want to utilize my resources, so it will decrease my free trial. So I keep it them as offline. Okay, you can see, right, these are all offline. So right now I'm going to create a new instance, which is our demo purpose. So then host name is the name instance of the host name which we need to give here. The host name I'm giving 01. I'm giving host name, and a region I'm selecting US East 1, and the machine type I can keep the custom. 4 cores, 26 GB of RAM I'm selecting. Boot OS is I'm selecting SUSE Linux for the SAP. SP3 I'm selecting, and then allow firewalls, HTTP traffic, and click on disk here. Go to disk and add new disk. Give the name HANA 01. The type is I'm keeping this same thing, and the mode deletion rule I'm keeping this delete disk option. So I want only 200 GB. This is sufficient. Done. The selection is done. And then before click on create, you need to see this your free trial is being used for this to create this VM instance. So it means you are not going to charge from your account. It will deduct from your free trial account. Okay, so just click on create. It will create your Linux box and it will give you the access in the cloud. Okay, so it is right now system is being built. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. After that it is now system is built. System is instance is running now, so we need to wait 1 more minute so that it will completely up. Then we can click on SSH button which is shown here. After clicking the SSH button, Linux Putty session will be, our SSH 22 port numbers SSH will be opened up here, and then we can access the system for the first time. Okay, then after we need to modify some parameters to allow Putty connectivity from our laptop or local system. So right now I'm not connecting through our local laptop Putty software. I'm connecting from my SSH option which is available on GCP. Okay, this does not require any connectivity settings. Only by clicking here it will directly connect the Linux box. Okay, and after this I need to change some parameters. Okay, and then I can set up the key pairing to my laptop. I need to generate a key pair, and then I need to submit that key into the GCP dashboard. GCP this thing GCP. In here we have a metadata section there. Then we need to upload the key file so that it will get the connectivity. So it will have the trusted kind of connectivity is registered, so that we can connect through our local Putty to Linux. So right now I'm clicking here, so it will open up my Linux box which is I just created with the name of HANA demo AB01. That is my host name. So you can see, right, so it is now connected. So for the first time I'm going to change, I'm going to change or set up the password for the root. Okay, so now I'm going to change some parameters in the etc SSH file, so that it will allow Putty connectivity from other connection, other outer systems to access the Linux. So for that I need to go to this is the file. In this file we need to change parameter no to yes. Just replace no with yes. And then also here also the challenge response time, response authentication is also replace yes. And let's just save it. Okay, so now we need to restart the VM. We lost the connectivity because I executed reboot command with the root user, so thus immediately the Putty that Linux terminal connection got disconnected. So we can see by clicking here the status of the server. So now I'm going to go to CD. Putty, and then click on the gen and click on gen putty to generate option, and just we have the key file generated now. Okay, then save private key. Yeah, I want to save the private key without process. Yes, and give the name. Just give the name, whatever. Save, and then copy here. Copy all the text here, and just go to here and write metadata. Come to SSH keys and click on edit. Click on add items. Just paste it here. So the name will automatically come here. This name. And save. And then what you will do is just go back to the Putty folder and Putty agent, click on it. Okay. Once you click on it, it will come here, the Putty agent, and just open it up and just add key. Just add the just created 4 number, right? 4th number key. Just click on this, add it down, and then close it. Now the metadata is successfully registered here. So now local Putty and our Linux cloud Linux boxes also got the trusted relationship with key pairing. Okay. So now the external IP, how to access this Putty? We have the external IP, so we have to copy this external IP and copy this. Click on Putty. Just give the host name here and the port number 22. Click on OK. Connected, right? Connected to my Putty, to my user ID. Root. Connected now. It is there in my local Linux. Okay. So this way we can connect to our Putty from our local machine to cloud hosted Linux box. So this is the whole process of creating the Linux in the Google Cloud. Step 1. So the whole step is this completed, and this is also completed. Key pairing of personal computer with local Putty, and the parameter hello. We also just shown you how to change it. What are the parameters we need to change? No to yes, right? So this is the pending the mount additional disk, which is while taking the Linux box, we have mentioned one additional disk with the 200 GB, right? So that 200 GB will not come here because we need to mount them. Only right now we have only 10 GB of space in this. Whatever we have taken, the 10 GB of file system will be created here. This is my root, and it contains 9.8 GB. So we need to mount the 200 GB file system to download our SAP HANA database software and install them on that data file. Okay. So for that we need to execute some commands. Okay. So these are the commands. sometimes it will copy paste won't work, so we need to manually write the command totally. So now it is executed. So moving forward to next command, mkdir /HANA. I am giving the folder name, the data register name as HANA. Okay. So now it's now taken. Okay, we need to note down this UUID code and we need to paste it in fstab. So before doing this, we need to take the backup of the fstab. Okay, if fstab is corrupted, so the whole file system will be corrupted. So we need to make sure that take the backup of fstab before editing the fstab. Okay. First we need to go to we paste it the UUID and remove this double quote and come to the last and enter the name of the directory name which we have given and add this ext4 space default 2 space 1 and just save it. Just see this what you have edited. Verify. Okay. So this line is already there. Just we have added this line from UUID code number and then add this directory name and ext4 default 2 space 1. Okay. So the fstab is also updated now. We need to see if it is updated or not in directories. Okay, now it is updated. Earlier we don't have, right? So now the new directory is come with the 200 GB space limited. Okay, now we need to give some permissions after the root to the directory and ownership also. So now it's clear. So now we need to copy the HANA Express version which we are going to download in our local laptop to our gem box, sorry, this Linux box. For that we need to go to Google and search for SAP Express Edition. It is basically free HANA Express edition. Yeah, it is just we don't need any license to download it. You just click on register for free version and you have to fill some details and you will get a download link. You can download it. So in my case, I had already downloaded, so I kept it my one of other Linux box. So I am going to copy from the other VM box to my current Linux box. Okay. So for your purpose, you just need all the details. You need to fill up it and submit it. You will get a link to download manager first. Okay, so first we need to download the download manager, then we need to select the I'll show you what file will be downloaded. This HSC download manager for Windows will be downloaded in your case. Okay, you need to run that folder. I'll show you what are the selection we need to take to download the Express Edition software in the download manager. And also keep in mind that you need to have a JRE before run this download manager. Otherwise, this download manager won't open in your laptop. So JRE to run this Express Edition download manager, we need to have a Java JRE must be available in the system in your local laptop. Okay, so that is basically you can do it from free download from the Oracle website. You need to download JRE and we can install this as a basic installation. So you can download the JRE and install and run this Express Edition download manager and select this. You can see that what are the download version is 2.0045 is a SPS. Okay, and the platform is our Linux 86/64. That is Intel based. We are not using power PCs. We are using Linux Intel based system. Yeah, and here the image type is we need to change this to binary installation. Okay, we are not keeping the machine virtual machine. We are changing to binary installation, binary installer. It will take some time to modify the image type. And then we need to select the server only option. So give this server only option, server only installer, and if you want any other software to be downloaded, you can select. Otherwise, you can left it whatever it is by default selection. Okay, this is basically a PDF file, and this is a installer file. Okay, this is around 1.7 GB. And click on download button. It will download in your wherever you are in this location. It will download here. Okay, so in my case I already downloaded. It will take around 30 to 40 minutes based on your bandwidth. Okay, so I already downloaded in my place. So it is already there in this offline servers. Okay, I want to make this server online. So I'm going to start this server. Then I will SCP that file to this my newly constructed Linux box. Okay, it will take a moment to start up. After startup, again also we need to wait another one minute so that it will all the things will come out online. Then we can take the SSH session to log in. Otherwise, we can also log in from our local box also by copying this external IP. I'll show you. Just take in the copy and just check the duplicate session. sorry, not duplicate, new session. What is the host IP number ending with 108. This is new. The old OS which is having already software. Now I have connected to another virtual box, another Linux box, which is already registered in my GCP account. So I want to see software. This is the software. So I want to move this software to this Linux box. Otherwise, I can download it here in my local Windows, and then I can do the WinSCP. That is also, but it will take a lot of time, around one hour it will take, because it is copying from my local laptop to the server. So it will take as per my internet bandwidth. So in my case, both are in cloud, so this bandwidth is very far. So I am choosing this way to save a lot of time. So xxxxxxxx. The username is root, host name is IP address is 35.1, target IP 185.88.92. That's yes, asking a password of the target root. It will around 5 to 2 minutes, below 2 hours. So now it is less than 1 minute. It is copied to my target IP, target host. So let me see if it is copied or not here. So it is copied. Okay, this came here. So I'm going to uncompress this tar file. So I'm compressing the xxx file. So now I don't require this host, so I'm going to shut down this host from my GCP account, so that it will not utilize my trial account of money, so I can save. So in this host, uncompression is completed. So now you can see Express Edition folder is generated. I want to go to Express Edition. Go to into data unit, go to into HANA HTTP _ server _ Linux. So here we have the installer file. Asking the installation or exit. I am choosing installation. We need to, there is a prerequisite, so we need to follow this note to complete this prerequisite. There are some packages or packages are missing. associated to this Linux OS. So I'm going to download that, install that RPM, and then we can continue the installation. Whether the note requirements. So this is the command we need to run to install these libraries. Second command, yes, so it will give you the output. What are the versions of the which we have given just install library versions. So now I'm going to run again the HKBLCM. You can see the prerequisite now passed one installation. So now we can see that error is not coming. The prerequisite error is gone now. So I'm going to choose the selection also installation. SAP HANA version this version is going to be installed. If you want any other additional installation components you want, you can select here. I am choosing no. Just selecting no additional components, just keeping this installation path as default, localhost as default, HID as default, instance number 90 as default. We can change it to whatever 0001, whatever the master password I'm going to give here. The user group ID and default. All the selection is doing for the review. Just type Y for yes and enter, and it will going to install the HANA on your cloud. It will take 2 to 5 minutes. starting the services. You can see the starting services message here. Installation is done here, and it is creation of the instance also completed here. Configuration instance also completed here, and the installation of SAP host agent shown here, and now it is at starting the services phase. The installation log location is here. We can see we have temporary space. The file name is this. Now it is installing the residence GLCM. It is now completed. Installation of HANA is completed on my Linux box, which is hosted on Google Cloud platform. Okay, I will show you the services state. Instance number 90, right? iPhone. Sorry, I need to run with my user. It's medium. Medium is my medium. So now these are the services. I want to see the state. Now I'm in running state. I want to stop and start. I'm stopping the services. Oh no, I stopped now. You can see the status. So now you can see clearly this stop. So I'm going to start it back. Okay, it will be started now. Okay. Meanwhile, as I already told you, I'm going to show you how to monitor this now, because we don't have the studio, right? Studio require again its user. So for that we need to download Eclipse. This is the official website of the Eclipse. Go to here, download packages, download this thing, this Eclipse IDE for interface, and download for 64-bit for Windows. In my case, I've already downloaded. Okay, but this double click it, we'll open up here. So this is my Eclipse IDE. So I just already downloaded it here through Eclipse website. From this website, this is the URL. Go to official Eclipse website. IDE with download here from Windows 64-bit. Okay, and just double click on it. It is not require any installation. Just double click on it. It will open here. So right now I will show you what are the options here. There is no HANA SAP HANA prospectus here, right? You can see. If you click on that prospectus, it will convert that type of software. That's Eclipse IDE. So right now we don't have SAP HANA option to convert the studio. So I will make that so that it will make the HANA Studio use. This is the website. We need to go to here and then version is we need to check. Version is 2026 or 16. Yeah, and we need to copy this URL. In the home section, choose suitable version, which is our suitable version. We need to copy the URL. In this path, choose HANA.ondemand website. Choose the path which is suitable to our version, and go to the studio IDE and go to install new software. Leave the path here and select the items HANA tools. So we don't require all these things, only we require HANA tools, HANA developer administration, HANA administration tools, and HANA administration, database administration development, and all these we require. And you can add username HANA Studio. This one. Add this, select this, all these things, and click on next. We'll check the requirements and dependencies, and click on next and accept the license agreements and click on finish. It will download the HANA Studio related files and it will install here. And then once it is completed installation, you will have the option to convert this IDE into HANA Studio. After it is converted HANA Studio, we can use the HANA Studio and we can add the, our system details to monitor our HANA database. So in that way, the total completion, the process is completed. So it is asking to restart now. I'm going to restart IDE. you see the prospectus got the options SAP HANA Administration Console, SAP HANA Development, SAP HANA Modular, and SAP HANA Language. So we require SAP HANA Administration Console. No, not. So now it is became HANA Studio. You can see the HANA Studio options here to add the system. Copy the host IP address. Here the instance number is 090 and system db system user ID and password is the master password, the same which we have given at the installation time. Run finish. So now it is connected. So my system is connected in my personal machine, personal laptop. The host name, the IP address is this one, the instance number is 90. The services are still updating. So this is the install services. It will take some time to gain. So I refresh it, so sometimes it will give a gray, some start of service is not showing is yellow, so that will update once you give the host name in IP address in your etc host. Okay, so you need to update the IP address in the host etc host so that it will get green, it will give and it will show all the services are started here. Otherwise it will give you some services are not started and it will give you yellow status. So in the background I already have given the IP addresses in the host etc host, so that's why I'm getting the green status here. I'll show you. This is my host. Okay, this is my IP address, this is my host, and this is my fully qualified host name. That means domain. You can get the domain name, right? The host name -f will get the domain name. Okay, fully qualified domain name. So we need to add the host IP, host name, and the host name is fully qualified. I will copy and paste. You will get status screen. Otherwise, you will get yellow. So this is the total process is completed from the very first registration of the free trial and host CC Linux and set up the key pair and other parameters and additional disk and download Eclipse and make them Eclipse to the studio. The process is completed. So I hope you understand the process. Okay, thanks for watching. Yeah, good luck.